anybody tells you that there is no money in Ghana, then the person is lying to you. So there is this lady that did a video about food. He went to sell watching, and that watching that he went to sell, this is what he did. He used 510 Ghana cedi. If you change the 500 Ghana cedi, 500, I think it's $50. If I'm not wrong, it will be $50 because $100, I think it's thousand one whatever. Yeah, let's say the $50. So people who doesn't know the city and you want to start a business in my country, so this for you want to understand. And he used 510 cedi. I will let you to watch the video to start the business. He said that if he didn't wanted to sell it, it's a food content going, so he wanted to give it out to people. So I said, no, no, let me arrange it like people who sell it on the roadside. So he started that, and by the moment that he put it out, 10 minutes later, a woman came and said, I want to buy watch it 10 cedi. And that was it. And she was so happy. And the 10 cedi, 20 cedi, 30 cedi, all this thing. It's like it reduced the prices to a standard that maybe if you have 30 cedi, you can eat egg, um, pasta, whatever, all together. But if you're going to buy it somewhere, it will not, it will be more than. And guess what? At the end of the video, at the end of the food, selling the food, you got 910 cedi, and the profit was 400 cedi. So let's take that. If this lady do everything 400 cedi, look at it, what she will get. So let's watch the video and I'll bring you the calculation how much you will get if you do that.
I woke up on this day and wanted to put my free will to good use, so I had a bright idea of becoming a waakye seller. So I got to work a day before. I went to the market to get some of the stuff. I already had some at home, so I didn't have to get everything. So before we hit the senior high schools with home chil, I decided to give the street a taste of home chil, and I wanted to start with the street food. So yes, waakye was the best pick. To cook my waakye, I made sure to pick out the beans to make sure there wasn't any stone, washed everything properly. My waakye was on fire. I made my waakye stew as well. I'm going to share a recipe of this later. I fried my sausage, fish. The waakye stew had some meat, wele, and some eggs in there. I fried some plantain as well. And for the waakye, we cooked 2 pots, one big one and another small one. To be honest, I wasn't sure if I wanted to sell this waakye or give it out to the streets for free, but all I knew was I wanted the setup to look exactly like we were selling waakye and we meant business. So I got a sieve just to make sure the setup looked something similar to what the street waakye looks like. This woman was the first person to come by. She was passing and the aroma attracted her and she just stopped by to buy. Like I mentioned earlier, I wasn't sure if I wanted to sell this or to just give it out for free because I felt people wouldn't want to buy. But when she stopped by, she just said, Pachomito waakye 10 cedis. And I was like, oh my goodness, this is really happening. She bought like she would usually buy from her vendor and she ended up spending about 18 cedis. I decided to sell the meat for 5 cedis. Yes, I know, very affordable, because then again, I wasn't sure how much to sell this. And just like that, more people kept trooping in. At a point, we couldn't even record anymore. And I knew, oh my goodness, this actually became real. And in less than 2 hours, we were completely sold out. At this point, I regretted not making a bigger pot because more people kept coming in, but we had to tell them we were completely sold out. I spent a total of 420 cedis putting this together, and I made 950 Ghana cedis at the end of the day. Also, I didn't have to make shito because I had nana shito available, and this shito had meat chunks inside. Everybody loved it. It saved me the stress of making shito from scratch. This man was passing by, saw so many people standing by our stand, got his waakye, ate it, and wanted more, but unfortunately it was sold out. And I'll definitely.
So after you have watched the video, let's do the calculation. Okay, let's do calculation. I'm coming. About how much she will get if she's you started that thing, everything. So let's do the calculation. I was doing something, so if you are starting, you do Monday to Saturday, because Sunday you need to rest. You need to rest. So this is it. So um 6 days times 4, the 4 weeks, it will be 24, right? Okay, so 24 times 400 cedi a month. This is the money that you are going to get. Serious. This is the money that you're going to get, 9,600 Ghana cedi. That is left of 400 cedi to be like to be what do you call? Okay, so let's say that you are selling and you get 500 cedi. 500 times, oh my god, times 24, right? 12,000 a month. 12,000 Ghana cedi. This is crazy. You saw the calculation. You saw the calculation that we got on 12,000. If you get 500 cedi, let's take like you are getting 200 cedi. Two um 212 24 212 24. So you're getting 48 Ghana 48 million a month if you are taking 200 cedi. And remember, all these things, the location matters most. So if you want to start something like food vendors or something, I would advise you that look at the area. This area is this kind of food that when I do it there to prosper, you will get profit. It's be profitable. If it's not that, you need to change it. I gave you this as example, not to go and do the Waakye thing. Watch it, but I'm giving as a scenario that there are people that's on the street that we don't respect because they don't work cold, they are not air conditioned, but the kind of money that they are accumulating. Does it to buffer your mind that somebody, a woman that can give birth to 10, and maybe the person is selling in the market can take up that 10 case and can send them all to university? It doesn't buffer your mind. You need to buffer. You can see a man that maybe a Macy, you will see that, but you could see it's something that we are overlooked so much. So you can start like pure water or water. You can start maybe you see that, oh, there's some work or there are some business mind that's in my mind, but that kind of business I have, I need a lot of money. Then start with this, start with selling, and when you get the money, then you invest. It doesn't mean you need to stop. No, that's why the business mind come in. Let your cash also flow. Let your cash also do the work for you. So as you are doing this business, just focus. Don't do this and do this. It will confuse you. So if watch it that you want to do it. If what do you call ice cream you want to do it. That kind of thing that you think that you will bring you money. Focus on that. Cook. This year we are all going to cook. Focus on that thing that you're gonna. You shouldn't be afraid that what will people say? And when it starts in the beginning and it's not picking up, it doesn't mean that no, don't give up and don't go and start things that will you maybe you spend maybe 1,000 Ghana cedi. Just do it small and let's bring customer. The more you do it and the month is going on forward, you could see that you are able to expand. The more people will introduce you have I'll bring you a business strategies, a lot of business strategies that you can use for customer. You can or poor customer, maybe this is your first time that you come. Oh, you are new. This out. If you tomorrow, please come back. If you're able to bring another person, I'll give you egg. Just just not to give necessary, but let the person be in touch with you. Okay. So this is the example of business that if you want to do in Ghana, you will get it. Thank you. If this was useful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube. And what do you think? What business do you think that can bring you more money in Ghana? Write in the comment section and let me also know. Thank you. Bye.